Hello and welcome to Excel Business Institute. We are the experts in Excel training, Microsoft Excel training, and we are going to give you free training on Microsoft Excel 2019. We will start by giving you training on the beginner level, which is the level for an absolute beginner. We want to ensure that anyone who can use a computer can use Excel. We want to bring Excel to the level of an absolute beginner, someone who has never ever used Excel. We are going to take you through all these steps. We're going to show you how to open Excel. We're going to tell you what Excel is, and we are going to ensure that by the time you go through this level 1 or beginner course, you will be able to use Excel. After this level 1 course, there will be a level 2, which is intermediate, and then there will be advanced level. If you are going to subscribe and you're going to hit the notification button, you will be able to be notified every time we post a new video on the topics that we're going to be looking at. So here's a course outline that we're going to go through. We're going to try and ensure that we cover as much as possible in the level 1 of Excel. And the way the course has been structured is in such a way that the topics have been broken down into very small subtopics, so that if you really want to know how to bold in Excel or how to use the format painter, you don't have to go through all the things that you know already. You just need to go straight away to the format painter course, and you'll be able to pick that and just do that in 4 minutes, and you are able to be on your feet. So to begin with, we're going to look at the getting started with Excel, where we're going to look at how Excel opens, what are the versions of Excel, what is Excel, talking about spreadsheets, talking about cells, and then after that we're going to talk about Excel workbooks, using Excel workbooks and using templates. There are templates, tons of templates that are in Excel, that are workbooks that have been designed already for you, that you can just take and customize and use. I'm going to look at entering data, how you enter data in Excel, because Excel is a spreadsheet, so we work with the data. So how do you enter data in Excel? We're going to look at formulas, how many formulas. You have tons and tons of formulas that cover a lot of topics. Financial formula, you have mathematical calculations, and we're going to look at all the basic formula that we have in Excel, how to access those formula, how to use them, and also we're going to look at adjusting a worksheet. We're going to look at how you add more worksheets, how you work with the tabs on a worksheet, colors in tabs as well, and we're going to look at formatting and aligning data, how you are able to write fields that you can format and ensure that they fit in the same cell, how to use aligning in cells, and we're also going to look at using cell styles and themes, which are also defined in Excel already. You just need to access the themes and be able to use them. We're going to look at inserting objects and graphics, objects like smart art, objects like symbols, objects like pictures. Graphics like pictures, you can install them, insert them in Excel, and use them to better format your Excel documents. But of course, you can't use pictures in your calculations in Excel. Proofing a workbook, ensuring that everything that you have typed is as you want it, and ensuring that the worksheets on your workbook have also been labeled. And how do you print an Excel file? We're going to look at printing, how you connect to printer, and then how you can print an Excel file. It's not Excel files have got sheets that are bigger than the normal Word documents. So if you're going to print them, you find that sometimes some of the work goes outside your borders, and or boundaries, and you want to try and print something and it goes to page 2 or goes to page 3. Well, how do you avoid that? How do you ensure that you can print everything fitting in the number of pages that you want to print? We're going to look at managing worksheets, and also we're going to end up looking at the navigating and viewing Excel files, how we move around in Excel files. So now that you've seen the course outline, what we're going to cover, all these topics have got subtopics that are going to be broken down as you see below this video, and you can jump straight to the one that you want to learn. So let's get in and see how Excel 2019 works.